All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking new tools. All right, we'll get to that one in a minute. Tools I bought, and then one I received from a manufacturer, so let's see what I got. All right, first tool is rear subframe differential bushing installer and remover for BMW E46 and E85s. We see a lot of this generation BMW, and we've, job that needs a special tool, so I went ahead and got it because we see a lot of them, and, I'd kind of like that gravy. So, GST, German Specialty Tools, BMA 1132. Hopefully I'll get to use it soon. Next tool I bought is from Fowler. It is a run-out gauge with a magnetic base and a flexible arm. Measure gear lash, brake rotor run out, anything you need to precision run-out measurement, we got it. So, nice little piece of precision diagnostic equipment. I used to have one that had a pair of vice grips and hated it because it never stayed stable. So hopefully that one's a little better, but we'll see. All right, the next tool is from Mac. Part number is SLT13RBRT. These are advanced long star drivers. Torx. But they're designed for rounded torques. Told my Mac dealer I'd give them a try and see how they do. So we'll see. Haven't dealt with much torque since I bought the set, so haven't tried them out. But they also do work on regular torques. They grip better, supposedly. My Mac dealer used to be my Matco dealer, so I've known him for a good long time, and he doesn't, BS. He believes in something, he will sell it to you. If he doesn't, he won't. So hopefully he was right. The big mamma jamma is right here. Now, if you don't know, I am sponsored by OTC Bosch, so that's why I have an OTC Encore as well. But they sent me the Bosch ADS 625 to check out, and there'll be videos coming on this, of course. So I hope you like my new tools. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, go watch something else. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.